Hello, my name is Muhammad bin Fahmi bin Faizal. I would like to review on article Satellite Remote Sensing for Disaster Management Support, a holistic and staged approach based on case studies in Sentinel-8 Asia. Intro. What is remote sensing? Remote sensing is a technology for remotely studying the properties of objects by using electromagnetic radiation without touch the object directly. Satellite remote sensing covers wide-ranging areas, operate continually during all hours in all types of weather, and it is used to survey Earth's surface and atmosphere, to study global environment problems, monitor disaster, explore resources, and so on. What is JAXA? JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, has begun engaging in disaster management support activities using the Advanced Land Observing Satellite (ALOS) launched in January 2006. JAXA has been striving to highlight the role of Earth observation satellite in disaster management. And here is how remote sensing satellite observe the Earth's surface. Next, methodology. The following approaches were adopted to examine how satellite remote sensing can support disaster management and to derive requirement for applying satellite remote sensing to disaster management support. Case studies. JAXA has initiated case studies to examine how satellite remote sensing can support disaster management, collaborating with users, considering a regional background such as a disaster type, a disaster management system, and organizational structure of disaster management in different countries. Stage approach. A three-step approach for the implementation of SA was adopted to facilitate progressively building and expand the regional network of data providers, data analysts, and users. Holistic approach. Based on case study, discussions are made from the holistic viewpoint of progression level of case studies, progress of technology, user requirement, enhancement of support system and human factors, and requirement for applying satellite remote sensing to disaster management support are derived. And here is a holistic and staged approach to study satellite support disaster management based on case studies. Case study: large scale flood in Nepal in August 2008. A large scale occurred in Sansari district in southern Nepal on August 18, 2008. The change flow of river water which enters settlement at Kushaka, Haripur, Sripur and Lauki village development commit VDCS following the embankment bridge. JAXA made an observation with panchromatic remote sensing instrument for stereo mapping prism and advanced visible and near infrared radiometer type 2 aboard LOS on August 22 and by pulsar L-band SLR on August 24. JAXA conducted a site survey in December 2008 and the following activities in Nepal using satellite imagery provided by SA were confirmed. To analyze product indicating the inundation area were provided immediately to the Nepalese government. Then the data being used to produce a flood map for visualization how the flood affected the area. And here is the Koshi flood map. Why is it important to use partial spectrum? Using this dataset overlaid with census data about population and houses, it was possible to create a map of the affected area and data regarding the size of damaged area, the number of victims and the number of houses affected could be used to rescue victims, create a recovery plan, and even manage relief payment to victims. As a conclusion, through case study, space-based response has been empirically proven to effectively support relief efforts during mass catastrophes. Furthermore, based on these case studies, requirement for applying satellite remote sensing to disaster management support can be derived from the holistic viewpoint including human factors. And here is the visualization of the how it works. And that's all from me. Thank you.